Welcome to Mission Critical Communications Review, or MCCR. This video is about how to use the MCCR Open Forum or Q&A page. In order to ask or answer any questions on the Q&A page, you must have an MCCR login. If you do not have one, you can go up here to the very top of the page and sign up. If you have other questions about the MCCR accounts, feel free to view our video page. You can access the page by scrolling to the bottom and clicking on Video Tutorial Library. Here you can find other informational videos like this one. For additional questions, please contact us at support@mccr.info. Once you have your login, go ahead and click Login in the top right-hand corner and plug in your information. You will be taken to a platform similar to this one where you can see all of the details of your personal account. On the left-hand side, click on My Q&A. If you want to post a question, choose My Questions and then choose Add. You will be taken to this page titled My Q&A Details. As you can see, there are 4 fields that need to be filled out: Category, Question, Additional Info, and Tags. The category portion is used to organize the questions for our readers, so choose a category that best matches your question. Next, type in your question, and then you will need to provide some additional info. This could be your background knowledge or any information necessary to make sure you get the exact answer you are looking for. Lastly, you will need to assign tags to your question. You can choose to type in this box here and automated options will come up, or you can enter your tags manually below. Tags are very important because they are used to match your inquiry to professionals on our business directory. This way, experts are answering your questions. Once you hit Submit, your question will be posted. While on your profile dashboard, you can view your question to see how many replies it has and if it is still active. Now, your question will stay up as long as you want, but you can take it down whenever you want by simply clicking on Active, which will switch it to inactive. Or you can go over to the right-hand side and click on this blue button to choose Delete or Edit. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at support@mccr.info.